Helen's Airbnb question is, hi, I'm based in South Africa. I own a home in Uganda, which my family and I only use when we go over for a holiday, which is about once a year, leaving the place vacant the rest of the time with a housekeeper and a security guard. Now, Helen, your story is very similar to many other questions that I've received, and there are a number of people who have completed my advanced hosting program who are, for example, based in South Africa, but they have Airbnb properties in Spain or Mozambique or in Texas, and they implement the systems that I've shared with them to manage those properties even though they don't live in the same city or even in the same country. I have properties jotted all over South Africa, and I can manage them from anywhere in the world because of the systems and the procedures that I've put in place. So there is a lot that you can do to generate an income stream on a property that is just sitting there doing nothing, even if you are not close by. I hope that you're going to register for my upcoming virtual event so that I can share more with you on this topic. And just click on the link or send me a DM and I will send you the link to register for that workshop. I'll see you soon.